Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Bhola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 9th, as you know, we have to start it. The chapter number 1, the topic is effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. That means if there is any state of a matter get changed from one position to another position, so there will be the must changes. It can be changes by two means, that is by increasing the temperature or by increasing, that means changes the temperature, and as well as changes in pressure. So by the increasing temperature, or we can say by changing the temperature, and as well as by changing the pressure, we can change the state of a matter from one to another form. So in this concern we have to study about effect of temperature. Effect of change of a temperature. Effect of change of temperature. So we have to write what are the different effect of a temperature may happens. So we know that first of all, here is different reasons are maybe the different effect caused when we change the solid state to the liquid state. So here is first from the solid state to liquid, from the solid to liquid change. We know that if we are going to change about the solid into the liquid, so here is the process, that is the process by which the solid get changes into liquid, that is called as evaporation, or it is also called as a heating or boiling. Heating or boiling. So that considered to what? That considering to be getting temperature more and more. That means supplying temperature more and more. By supplying the temperature more and more, the solid which get converted into the liquid, or we can say the process by which the solid get changed into the solid substances get changed into the liquid by the giving heat, or if you are supplying the heat to this particular type of a material, and in the form of melting or fusion. So we can say it is the process by which there is a solid state get changed into the liquid. The solid material or the solid substances get changed into the liquid by supplying the heat. When we are supplying the heat or boiling, it will be melted or fuses to one another. That means the melting and a fusion takes place. Either the melting and fusion takes place. So it is the temperature, or the temperature at which the solid material get converted into the solid substances melts into the melts and change into the liquid. That temperature, it is called as the heating, that is boiling. So on that particular type of substance, when the solid substances get melting into the liquid, that is caused due to only the increasing temperature or by changing the temperature. Without the changing temperature, it could not be changed into the liquid. Suppose if there is a solid heated, it will be converted into the liquid. Why? Because if it is got the sufficient heat, then it has to be changes its physical state and it will become a liquid. So what we can say, by increasing the temperature or by giving or supplying the temperature more and more, the solid substances get converted into the liquid. Why? Because when it consuming more and more heat, so it will convert, it will change its physical state from one position, from one state to another. from a solid state to liquid. So we can say that there is a temperature, it is the temperature. By increasing temperature, by applying the heat, there will be the change takes place. That change is required for changing the physical state, that is from a solid to liquid. So first of all, that is by increasing the temperature, by applying the heat, there will be the solid material get converted into the liquid. That is the one effect that can be from the solid to changes, solid to liquid. So the important effect of the change of temperature, first is solid to liquid, second one is liquid to gases, liquid to gas change. That is what we considered as, that is called as boiling or evaporation. Boiling or evaporation. So what is this called? Suppose if the liquid material, the process in which the liquid get changes into a gas rapidly by heating on increasing temperature. So by giving or by supplying the very heat more and more and more and more to the liquid, it will be get heated, and by the heated, this will convert from the liquid to the gases, and the process by which the liquid get changes into the gases are said to be what? It is called as evaporation, or it is also said to the vaporization. Why? Because there is a vapor formation, and due to the formation of a vapors, there will be the formation of a vapors, there will be the changes of liquid to the gas. So that is called as vaporization or boiling. So it is the process by which the liquid get changes into the gases, that can only takes place by temperature, i.e. increasing the temperature. So the process by which the liquid change into the gases at very high speed, that is called as temperature. Or we know that in case of a liquid, when the solid get changes, the temperature at which the solid get changes into the liquid, that is takes place either in the atmospheric pressure, that is called as its melting point, and the liquid, it is the liquid boils and change into the gases. The temperature at which the liquid boils and change into the gases, that can be rapidly changes into the gases by atmospheric pressure, and this is called vaporization or boiling point of a liquid. This is the boiling point or melting point of, this is not the boiling, sorry, it is the melting point of solid, and this is the boiling point of liquid. So here is the 100 degrees centigrade. You know that it is the boiling point on which the any liquid get converted into the gases. So the gas maybe takes place due to the increasing in the temperature or due to the change in the state of a matter. Here we have to move on to the next one, that is gas to the liquid. Gas to the liquid change, that is called as, this one is called condensation. So what we can say, the condensation is the process by which the gases changes into the liquid, or gases converted into the liquid by the temperature. The process by which the changes of gases takes place into the liquid by the cooling, that is called condensation. The condensation is the process by which any liquid get converted into any gases converted into the liquid, that is called the process by which it is condensation, or it is also called as a cooling. By cooling, when the gas converted into the liquid, that is termed as condensation. So how they can be condensed? Why? Because due to the decreasing in the temperature, the particles get closer to one another. When the particles get close to one another, this one is called as a cooling, or it is also said to be the what? That is condensation. So by the process of a condensation, when the gas particles come closer to one another, this will be condensed particles and form the liquid from the gases particles to the liquid. So that is the process by which the gases converted into the liquid. This one is called condensation or cooling. So you know very well, cooling takes place at 0 degree centigrade, that is freezing point, that is the cooling. Here is liquid change into the solid, that is called liquid change into the solid. Liquid change into the solid. It is called as here is another process, that is by which the liquid get converted into solid. How this liquid get converted into the solid? We know very well that the process by which liquid converted into solid, that is called as freezing, or the process by which liquid get converted into the solid, that is called as solidification, or it is also called as freezing, and that will take place at the 0 degree Celsius. So 0 degree Celsius is required for changing of a liquid state into the solid state, and that one is called as a freezing. So at the point at which the liquid get converted into the solid, that is called as freezing, or it is also called as the solidification. We know that the heat energy which has to be supplied to the change of the state of a substance, that is called as latent heat. So what we can say that if there is a heat required for changing of one position to another position, that is termed as latent heat. So there is two type of heat required, that is latent heat of evaporization and latent heat of fusion. Two type of a heat is required. So for the changing of liquid into the solid, or from solid into the liquid, that is the two process in which there is a energy required, or there is energy needed, and these only takes place by there is a energy stored, and this energy is stored in the form of a latent heat. So the latent heat could not be changes the overall temperature, but it has to be required for changing the state from one position to another position, or from one physical state to another physical state of a matter. So what we can say, for the changing of the physical state of a matter one to another, this is called happened due to the freezing, or this is solidification. So what we can say that the liquid can be changes into the solid, or the solid get changes into the liquid, that is come only due to the process there is a energy required. This energy is said to be the latent heat. That heat is required for changing these positions.